what's up everybody, Sami here. So this is the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro. So when you hear the name, you know this is probably a small upgrade compared to its previous generation. But there are indeed some upgrades that impressed me, like 144Hz screen and the newest chipset. I mean the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, okay? But still powerful for such a tablet. And also the software update, like the connection with the car with Xiaomi's SU7, but I won't be able to experience that. But you know, that software update seems legit. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, let's check out the screen. Features hypers should be really smooth, and here they have a pen. Let me introduce this pen a little bit, so you can just long press a hole here. It can be a laser pen or something, so when in meeting or something you can just easily point out. But I find it's not cannot be that accurate, and sometimes a little bit awkward to use, but anyway. Okay, so let's check out my device. So here, storage 256 plus 8 gigs. And detailed information specs. Let's check out more. Lock screen, home screen, display and brightness, dark mode. That's great. Prefer light mode, screen brightness. One of the big upgrades is supports up to 144Hz of refresh rate. Also can choose 60 and 90 Hz. Normally default would be okay. Stylus and keyboard, so it shows you like how to use it. Let me just show you like right a little bit. My little girl Christina would love to use this. Like she uses my Samsung S24 Ultra's pen all the time. Feels very smooth without like noticeably lag. Obviously. Also the keyboard. This is the keyboard. Here you can adjust the angle. So can you put horizontally? Oh, literally you can literally put horizontally. Charging contacts here. So if you use just okay like that. Subscribe to Sami Low Tech because he is awesome. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Also a bunch of shortcut keys here. I think it's quite obvious, right? That's basically all the highlights. HyperOS 120 watts charger, PC level .ps, and lots of conference tools. Alright, I still like to give you a tour of the design. Camera module, here's 50 megapixel, 2 cameras, 1 flash, and this is not even a camera, this is the fake one. So the photos, videos, okay, let's just check out. Yeah, it's a tablet, so don't expect too much from it. Okay, looks really bad. The photos, it's okay, looks fine, I guess. But anyway, don't expect too much from a tablet, you know. Alright, and that is the back. Unibody, metal, just feels premium. And here, the charging contacts. Here, the magnetic charging port for your pen. Magnetic charging 100%. Okay, volume rocker, power key, speaker, supports Dolby Vision items, so should give you a really good sound. Speakers at the bottom, Type-C charging port, and nothing on the left side. Wow, this just feels like so awesome. So that is the hands-on of the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro 12.4. If you are interested, this is the Xiaomi Pad 6 Max 14 inch, and this is 12.4 inch. So you can see like, okay, this is how it looks. This is the screen border. You can compare. And here is the Xiaomi Pad 6. So 6s Pro, it's Obviously, much larger, right? Much bigger screen. Alright, so this is the Redmi Pad SE, that's it. And if you're wondering about the border, here you go. Not featuring the same width, right? Top, bottom should be a little bit wider from my naked eye. Now, one thing we have to test is definitely the sound. So that is loud.
It's like that, so hit it up. Be the norm, could we not a norm? Baby, baby, not a more.